Alam mo ba na pwede kang kumita ng monthly dividends through Philippine REITs? Yes, mga real estate investment trust here in the Philippines. So if you're someone na gustong kumita ng monthly dividends, then make sure you check this video out. Hi guys, Yupilu here. And when it comes to REITs or yung mga real estate investment trust, most people know na yung mga REITs, nagbibigay lang sila ng quarterly dividends. Meaning, every quarter, every 3 months, doon pa lang sila nagbibigay ng dividends. Compared kasi with the US stock market, merong mga REITs talaga doon na nagbibigay talaga ng monthly dividends. Pero here in the Philippines, so far, wala pa. And yung strategy na ginagawa ng most people is that once they receive yung dividends on a quarterly basis, divide by 3. So parang naging monthly, but the truth is every quarter lang nila na-receive. However, there's actually a strategy kung saan every month talaga, may marireceive kang dividends. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you how. And by the way, before tayo mag-proceed, if you're a newbie when it comes to mga real estate investment trust and you don't know how it works, paano ba mag-invest dito, I actually have a separate video. You might want to check out this other video, top right of this video, yung REITs 101 or REITs for beginners. You wanna check out that video. So for us to do that strategy, all you need to do is you go to investagrams.com kasi hanapin natin yung mga dividend dates ng mga REITs. Tapos, of course, a Google Sheet din. So, kasi dito, ipa-plot natin lahat yung mga dividends nila, yung mga dates ng mga REITs. So, dito, so far, in the Philippine stock market, at least, konti pa lang yung mga REITs natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pa lang yung mga REITs natin so far here in the Philippines. So, kaya medyo madali pa siyang sundan. Okay? And then, yeah, I don't know, maybe over the years, dadami na to. So, might as well do this as early as now. So far we have A REIT, so Ayala REIT, Double Dragon, Meridian Park REIT, Robinsons REIT, M REIT, Mega World REIT, Philinvest REIT, C REIT, City Core REIT, P REIT, forget ano to, basta Villar REIT to, tsaka yung V REIT din, Vista REIT. So these are two Villar companies na REITs. So, for us to do that, basically, you just go to investagrams.com. Tapos, hanapin natin yung mga dividend payout nila. Yung mga dividend payout niya. So, example, for A-REIT, so, I'll just search dito, dito sa search bar, just search A-REIT. And then from there, this is the chart. Makikita mo na, ayun, growing yung value ni A-REIT. And then just go here to the fundamentals. So, after you click fundamentals, you just scroll down below. Dito mo na makikita yung dividend history ni A-REIT. And so far, if you can notice, very consistent na nagbibigay ng dividends si A-REIT. So, yung gagawin natin is, ngayon, makikita natin yung dividend date, ex-dividend date, tsaka yung payment date. So, yung kukunin natin is yung payment date. Kasi yung gusto natin is monthly, di ba? Napapasok sa bank account. So, ito yung kukunin natin. So, let's just basically crop this one. Okay. Tapos, yan. Kukunin natin yung year 2024 lang. Kasi, ikaw na bahala if you wanna get the year 2023, di ba? So, dito, ilalagay natin doon. Dito sa sheet natin. So, balik tayo. August 11. Paste natin dito. So, August 11, si A-REIT. Tapos, June 13, nagbigay siya. And then, March 20 din. Okay. So, basically, yun, makikita natin yung dividends quarterly siya, di ba? Tapos based dun sa previous year, sa December magbibigay si A-REIT ng another dividend. So probably pwede natin dito i-assume or estimate na on December ma-receive natin yung dividends ni A-REIT. However, what I did is that para hindi natin to isa-isahin, so ginawa ko na to, yung for the year 2024 lang. If you want to get yung 2023, 2022, tsaka 2021, or even 2020, feel free to do it. But basically, yung ginawa ko is, I just got yung 2024. And so far, eto na siya. Ayun, para mabilis tayo. So, eto na siya. So far, as you can see, A-REIT, DDMPR, RCR, M-REIT, lahat ng mga REITs, quarterly nagbibigay, di ba? Pero when you plot all the dividend payout dates nila, more or less, parang monthly na yung dividends. So, let's say on January, si C-REIT and V-REIT nagbigay ng dividends. On February, si DDMPR and si RCR. Si A-REIT on March and the others. On April, si M-REIT lang yung nagbigay. And so on and so forth. So, makikita mo, on a monthly basis, may dividends talaga. Dito naman sa November and December, hindi pa kasi nag-announce sila, but based on historical record, like sa example, si AREIT, o yun, November, minsan nagbigay siya ng November, and then last time din nagbigay din siya ng December. So, probably, baka some of these REITs magbibigay ng November or December. But basically, by plotting all these mga payout dates nila, makikita mo na on a monthly basis, pwede ka pala talagang maka-receive ng dividends. What if you're gonna tell me, Tio, like, ang dami naman, I don't wanna own all these REITs. And so far, some of these REITs, hindi maganda yung performance. So, let's say, for example, I'll remove the DMPR kasi, sadly, pangit yung performance ng DMPR. Remove natin yan. Next, PhilInvest din. So, ito, sobrang pangit din yung performance. It's just diving. Tapos, yung dividends niya, up and down din. Delete natin yan. Tapos, ayaw mo rin yung mga Villar stocks. Example. So, ayaw mo ng PREIT kasi Villar stock siya. VREIT din, Vista Land REIT. So, Villar stock din siya. So, kahit itong apat na to, if you can see, monthly pa rin, di ba? More or less, monthly pa rin ka nakaka-receive ng dividends. So, basically, that is how you actually receive dividends on a monthly basis by just investing in Philippine REITs. So, here's a quick sneak peek ng ating dividends. So, makikita mo like February, and then March, April, May, madami sa May, di ba? So, makikita mo DMPR, CRS, PC, AREIT, PhilInvest, DMC, and then May, June, July, August. So, basically, on a monthly basis, may dividends ka ma-receive. So, yeah, yan yung strategy on how you can receive monthly dividends through REITs, investing in Philippine REITs talaga. However, if you're interested, like, how do I diversify? Like, I want to receive monthly dividends, pero I want to diversify aside from REITs. So, I actually have a different video. You can check out this other video kung saan I'm sharing dito how you can diversify yung Philippine investment portfolio mo na hindi lang REITs, tapos at the same time, you still receive monthly dividends. So again, you might want to check out this next video if you want to receive monthly dividends with a diversified portfolio.